is my first kind of vlog type video, and I've decided I'm going to be doing this because in 2 days I'm leaving to study abroad in Australia. Usually my videos are just like edits with just music from when I'm traveling or of sports, but I actually want to document what it'll be like studying abroad. So in this video I wanted to say which school I'm going to and why I'm going there. I also want to say how I'm feeling about studying abroad, and also what I packed and how much I'm bringing out there for a year. So what I first want to start off with is I'm going to the University of Wollongong, and it's about a little over an hour south of Sydney, I believe. It's New South Wales, and I chose Australia because I figured if I'm going to be going somewhere for a year, it might as well be the place that's the furthest, somewhere I'm least likely to go to eventually. For example, I go to Europe quite often because I have all my family lives there, so it's easier for me to go out there versus Australia because I have a place to stay. It's also closer to go out there, and Australia is really far. I think I believe it's about a 15-hour flight from here. But anyway, so not only is Wollongong a high-ranked school that I saw, but it's right by the beach, and that's my type of scene. And also, I've never been to Australia, so it's just something completely different that I'm not expecting. I've always wanted to study abroad. I just want to experience what it's like living in a different culture and actually being able to like live with like the locals and just see how like their daily routine is. What I'm packing. I have this really big one, this big old thing right here, and then I have this duffel bag type bag, and so I'm gonna be checking those two things in, and they're 45 pounds each. They're just under 50, which is perfect. And I'm bringing this on the plane with me. I have some of my camera stuff in there and just some things I'll do to entertain myself on the plane. Just bathroom utensils and stuff like that. And I have a handbag here because when you're flying, you're allowed to bring a carry-on and a handbag or purse. I'm packing 4 jeans, 4 shorts, shirts that I could dress up or down with, so I could just wear heels or with a shirt to make it look fancy, or I could wear Vans running shoes with another shirt, just casual to walk around in during the day. Speaking of shoes, I packed like 1 pair of heels, 1 pair of running shoes, and a few flip-flops, and just some shoes that I can walk around daily in. And also I'm bringing medicines just so I don't have to buy them out there. And for a hairdryer and stuff like that are kind of big, I'm just gonna buy out there as well. I'm going to be living in an apartment, so I also packed with me a few blankets and some plates just for the first week until I buy things and get all settled in. So I also packed a few jackets because apparently it's winter there right now. The seasons are flipped, so here it's summer and then there it's winter, which I find really unusual because I just have people telling me that it's cold out there, and right now it's super hot here. It's kind of hard to think of transitioning right away from like wearing shorts and t-shirt every day to having to go back to jacket. And I heard that it's the same weather as Southern California. It's pretty cold in the mornings and then hot in the day, but we'll see. I'll update that eventually when I do get there and see how it is. How I'm feeling about this right now does not feel real at all. I feel that it's actually going to be happening. I'm leaving in 2 days. I feel unusually calm. I'm just like, doesn't feel real. It's not gonna happen. What if this happens? What if that happens? I think it'll hit me when I get there, or maybe might not even when I get there, maybe like a week after. Dang, I'm living here. I'll be posting more videos on my YouTube, just about like study abroad in general and what's going to be happening and just all the adventures that will be happening while I'm out there, and just this whole new experience. So I'll keep you updated, and I hope this was a good first interesting vlog video.